Whew. This is how it looks. Whew. Doesn't look bad, man. This is a complete success. And damn. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Diana. If you're new here, karibu sana. Welcome to Naureiness. If you're not, thank you for coming back again. So today I'll be showing you how I did this 2-bun style. I used Temptation Braid by Angels in the color number 2. So I don't know, let's get straight into the video. So I'm using this is a bun, it's a hair bun net, it's a bun hair net. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put it here in my container because I don't have the, what is it called, a mannequin or something. Yeah, that one. So this is the one I made. This one is already made, and that's how it looks. So we're gonna make one like this one. We are using our braid in Temptation in the color 2. So we are done. These are the 2 ones. I've already laid my edges using my gel, my rose water gel, and eyebrow wand. Is it wand or is it what? I think it's called that. Yes, this kenyamu. Yes, then I put a scarf and yeah, I let it dry. So we are done. I hope the back is also set. So what's left to do is, as you can see, this my hair is not this big. I would want to secure it with bobby pin. So let's see. Ooh. So I'd want it a bit lower. So I'm gonna secure it with bobby pins. These are bobby pins. So just a him. As you can see, mine is not so a lot because I don't want it to look very fake. I want it to look as natural as possible. So what you do with this is just trim. You can fluff it as much as you'd like to, but I prefer not fluffing mine, right? So make sure you secure it with bobby pins. I just used 3. Just gonna use 3. It's the 3rd one, and there you go. That's how it looks. So to the next one. Here it is. It looks nice. Whew, okay. So this is how it looks. Whew. Doesn't look bad, man. This is a complete success. And damn. That is how we look for today. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. I hope you enjoyed. You can leave me a comment, and if you try this hairstyle, please don't forget to tag me on Instagram. Yeah, so bye for now, and make sure you subscribe, by the way. Make sure you have subscribed.